Hello everyone, my name is Pan. Today welcome to the NYC AWC Dog Cafe project kickoff meeting. So this is a summary of the flow of meeting today. We'll start from the company background to project concept, and then development plan, and then we'll introduce the members and stakeholders, and then we'll explain the risks, and last but not least, we'll have the budget for our project. So to provide a little background on our company, it's called NYC Animal Welfare Coalition, short of NYC AWC. It's funded by a group of animal rescuers with a focus on improving the welfare of abandoned animals in New York City. The organization aims to work with individual animals to provide low-cost veterinary services, adoption listing, and screening services. Our mission is to save the city's canine friends, and we advance it by offering a hip, inviting destination where dog lovers in all ages can interact with adoptable animals while learning about pet rescue and care. So, the project concept originated from the struggle for animal welfare organization to find foster homes for rescue dogs without a central facility where rescuers, foster families, and potential adoptees could meet. We thus launched this Dog Cafe project to address this need. First opening in New York City, we aim to open multiple chains of dog cafes in all major cities across the United States in the following years. So we take the inspiration from cat cafes in Japan, where the concept has flourished. Over the last decade, the pet cafe phenomenon, not only cat cafe, but various animal cafes, has spread throughout the world, mainly in Asia. And now we're introducing the first dog cafe, so a brand new service in New York City. Unlike traditional cat cafes, where cats are only residential, our customers are welcome to bring their own dogs to interact with our foster pets. We believe in creating a safe, fun, and unique environment for dogs to hang out with people and to socialize with different animals. So this is what a cat cafe looks like in Japan. You can see cats can freely roam inside the space, and then human can dine, can interact, and can relax with the animals. So our concept is to bring a traditional cafe and where dogs can hang out together to create a dog cafe. Voila. So the development plan is as follows. We need to acquire animal exhibition licenses from USDA and NYC Health Services for us to have residential dogs. And we also need to acquire permits to conduct business in general and food handling permits to establish the cafe part. And then we will estimate the store budget, determine the location and the design of our overall store, and how to combine the food handling portion and the dog hangouts portion together in an efficient and sanitary manner. And then we'll care and train our foster dogs to prepare for human and other animal interaction. And then we recruit and train store employees to read canine body language and to anticipate issues that might happen in the store during operation hours. And then later we'll seek partnerships with food and drink providers in order to serve our customers with refreshments and drinks. And then before our store opens, we'll release PR statements and operating all social media. So to explain the risks of our project, we need to meet sanitary requirements for both serving food and providing safe environment for animals. And then we'll also face danger of dogs, possibly ingestion of human food from the cafe or visitors' own. For example, coffee is potentially poisonous for canine breeds, and visitors will be prohibited of bringing their own food. We also run risks of animal possibly injuring each other or human customers. And on top of that, we need to monitor pest control and canine health. So vaccinations will be strictly reinforced. And then we also need to provide enough exercises for residential dogs and give them rest breaks and etc. For customers, if they wish to bring their own pets before into the store, they need to pre-register and reserve on our website, and we'll screen whether they provide vaccination records and health records of their own pets. Last but not least, we'll need to manage the proper and efficient disposal of dog waste in our store. Here to introduce the members and stakeholders. Ashton will oversee the business affairs and public relationships of our project. Madison, the associate director, will manage all legal issues and acquiring permits. She will also be communicating with governmental animal control and welfare centers. Heather will be our store supervisor / manager. She will be overseeing the daily operations at the cafe, on top with the help of our consulting veterinarian and store designer. So the overall budget for a project will be $700K, with the biggest chunks divided by real estate, design furnishing, acquiring permits and licenses, and then we'll also need budget for beginning inventory, kitchen equipment, and also insurance. Thank you very much.